I'm Scott Patton. I'm the owner of Hot Rod Golf Carts. Hot Rod Golf Carts is a custom golf cart center that we do service. We also do custom, where we take a standard cart and add a lift kit, stereo, undercarriage lighting, a lot of the fun things to make your cart unique. We handle E-Z-GO golf carts. We're a certified dealership. E-Z-GO is one of the largest in the world, and we order them in with custom lift kits and wheels, but we also order standard carts. E-Z-GO just came out with a four-wheel drive as well as just the standard carts. We can do a lot of off-road lift kits, so you can go up and down hills and over rocks and all kinds of neat things. Hot Rod is set up to do custom builds, so we can take and put a 57 Chevy body or Corvette or whatever your favorite car is. We put a different body, special paint job, different accessories, stereos, undercarriage lighting. There's just a whole catalog full of fun things you can add to make your cart unique. We also have the street legal cart, which is the 2.5 made by E-Z-GO, and it can be licensed and driven in any 35-mile zone or less. Hot Rod Golf Carts offers low interest financing through a couple different sources, so we can get a finance package to meet your needs. Come and see us at Hot Rod Golf Carts. You get off at exit 350. They're on I-69 near Angola. And come into our showroom and see what we have, complete a credit app, or you can go to hotrodgolfcarts.com and fill out your credit app and see all of our inventory and our accessories that we have available.